everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Today, we are taking a look at QBTS stock. Earlier today, I shared the latest QBTS stock trade idea with our premium members, including the ideal entry zone, breakout confirmation level, stop loss, and multiple profit targets. Please check out our Patreon page and join for free for daily market analysis. The link is right down there in the description and in the pinned comment. Now, let's take a look at the chart. QBTS is trading near a key demand zone around $17.85 to $18.60, where buyers have started defending support after a prolonged correction. The recent bounce from the lower support area suggests that selling pressure may be easing, while the stock is attempting to build a higher base. A successful hold above the entry zone and a breakout through the nearby resistance could trigger a bullish recovery toward higher price levels. The first objective is to reclaim the $21.11 resistance level, followed by $24 if momentum strengthens. A sustained breakout above that zone could pave the way for an extended move toward $28. As always, please wait for bullish confirmation. Use disciplined position sizing and strictly follow your stop loss to manage your risk. Let me know your thoughts on QBTS stock down in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? If you enjoy these daily updates, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our Patreon using the first link in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And a quick reminder, this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial or investment advice. Always do your own research and manage your risk before making any trading or investment decisions.